We present a new technique for capturing and rendering unstructured light fields with commodity hardware. To capture a light field with our technique, the user simply waves a handheld camera around the subject they wish to capture. As they do this, our system's user interface guides their motion of the camera towards undersampled parts of the light field, automatically recording new images whenever the camera is presented with a new perspective of the subject. To display the captured light fields, we present a new algorithm for rendering from unstructured sets of images that scales to larger datasets than previous techniques and produces fewer artifacts. This light field has 261 images and took just 2 minutes to capture. In addition to our laptop version of the system, we have a prototype working on an N95 cell phone that uses an augmented reality interface for viewing and capturing light fields. To render a light field, we first triangulate the centers of projection for our captured images to define a 2D viewpoint manifold. We then reconstruct a blending field over this manifold by applying standard subdivision rules to the weights at each vertex. We then project this manifold into the requested view of our scene to obtain the output blending field at each frame. The projected manifold then acts as a window into the captured scene, displaying parallax in all 3 dimensions. Our technique is more robust to non-uniform sampling of the light field than the k-nearest neighbors approach of unstructured lumograph rendering, making it less prone to high-frequency artifacts in dimensions with sparse sampling. Here we show an example where we simulate a bicubic geometric aperture to obtain a synthetic depth of field. Here we show 2 more examples of light fields exhibiting parallax and depth. In addition to being inexpensive and easy to use, our technique is extremely robust. We consistently produce high-quality light fields for a large variety of scenes that are traditionally considered difficult, including human subjects and very specular objects. Here we show 4 outdoor light fields captured at different scales. Here we show 9 light fields, all captured with a simple web camera attached by USB to a laptop computer. This 842 image light field was the first light field captured by a user who had never tried our software before. At the time of this video, we have captured literally hundreds of light fields using our technique. Our system is cheap, easy to use, and it consistently produces compelling results. We hope that with our work, a much larger community of users will be able to capture light fields in the wild.